I will talk about how can you look out of your account on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on money down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name here, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you will find here lockout here, you just click on it. So then here automatically it's going to lock out, or it's going to take you out of your account on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.